How to edit or change your address on DoorDash. Welcome to Let Me Help, and let's get right into this tutorial. To edit or change your address on DoorDash, firstly, you need to install the DoorDash application in your device, or just visit the DoorDash website. You can easily get access to it via your Play Store or App Store. When you tap Open your Dasher, you will find an interface like this. Make sure to log in into your account if you have not logged in yet, or just go ahead and sign up for an account. Then click on the More option. When you tap on the More option, you will find some of the settings option or the personal info. In here, tap Open to addresses where you can add, remove any delivery address. Click on the pencil icon next to the address to edit it out. To add a new address, just search for the address that you want to add. You can do it manually by searching in the search bar, or just drag the pin in the map to pin out a particular location. Once done, just tap on the Save Address. You can also select your drop-off options. By this way, you will be able to edit, change your address on DoorDash. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.